everyone, welcome to Wits Connect. Today we are going to discuss the topic about the basic concept of feedback. So what is feedback? Feedback is nothing but the process of adding some fraction of the output energy. Here output energy is nothing but either it is voltage or current. Okay na? So the process of adding some fraction of the output energy to the input is known as to the input of the amplifier is known as feedback. So this feedback plays a very important role in electronic circuits, and the basic parameters like input impedance, output impedance, current gain, voltage gain and bandwidth, these are the basic parameters of transistor. So these transistor parameters are going to be changed with the applied feedback to the amplifier circuits. Okay, so coming to this topic, this is the block diagram of an amplifier with feedback. Here we have, in this block diagram we have different blocks like mixer, basic amplifier circuit, sampler and feedback network. Here the output energy from the sampler, either it is voltage or current, is sampled to the feedback network. Okay, now here the sampler here it is series sampler or shunt sampler. Okay, now so here the output energy of the sampler is sampled by using the feedback network, is added to the feedback network. Okay, now so here the output of the feedback network, the fraction of the output of the feedback network is added to with the mixer by using the signal phi s. This is the input AC signal. Okay na? So here the mixer is nothing but here the mixer acts as a comparator, like it is here it is series mixer or shunt mixer. Okay na, it is series mixer or shunt mixer. Okay na? So here this mixer will add the signal and difference the signal. Here coming to the mixer output, phi I equal, the output of the mixer it is equal to phi I equal to phi s plus or minus phi f. Okay na? Here phi f is nothing but output of the feedback network with beta. Beta is nothing but feedback factor. So the output of the feedback network it is phi naught, phi f, and the input to the feedback network it is coming to the output of the sampler. It is nothing but phi naught. Okay na? So here this feedback network with feedback signal phi f is connected to the mixer combined with the signal AC input signal phi s. So here the mixer output is phi I equal to phi s plus or minus phi f. Okay na, it will add the signal and difference the signal, and this is the basic amplifier with gain A. Okay na, this mixer output is given to the basic amplifier output with gain A, and the basic amplifier output is indicated by phi naught. It is applied to the sampler. Okay na, it is applied to the sampler. Okay na, it will samples the signal. Okay na, samples the signals to the feedback network. So this is the explanation of block diagram. Coming to the terms we are using in the block diagram, here A is nothing but, capital A is nothing but gain of the feedback amplifier. Capital A is nothing but gain of the feedback amplifier. It is indicated by, so gain is nothing but output voltage to the input voltage or output current to the input current. So here the output of the amplifier is nothing but phi naught and input is given by phi I. That is the output of the mixer phi I. So phi naught by phi I is defined as gain of the basic amplifier. And coming to the beta, beta is nothing but, it is nothing but feedback ratio. Beta is nothing but the ratio of feedback voltage to the, here it is nothing but the ratio of feedback voltage to the output of the basic amplifier. So the feedback ratio, it is indicated beta equal to the ratio of the feedback voltage to the output of the amplifier. Output of the amplifier it is indicated by phi naught. So phi f by phi naught is indicated by feedback ratio, indicated by it is beta. And coming to the AF, gain of the feedback amplifier. AF is nothing but gain with feedback. Okay na, gain with feedback. So gain of the feedback amplifier it is equal to phi naught by phi s. So phi naught is nothing but basic amplifier output phi naught by phi s is nothing but AC input signal phi s. Okay na. So phi s is nothing but what here? Phi s is nothing but AC input signal and phi f is nothing but feedback signal. Okay na. This is the Basic concept of the feedback. What is the feedback? The process of adding some fraction of the output energy, either it is voltage or current, to the input of the device. Okay, na, to the input, that is nothing but basic amplifier input, is nothing but feedback. Okay, na. Coming to the types of the feedback, we have two types of feedbacks, positive feedback and negative feedback. So positive feedback is also known as regenerative feedback. Negative feedback is also known as degenerative feedback. So how we will define the positive feedback? Here the feedback network output phi f. The feedback network output phi f is in phase with the input signal phi s, is nothing but positive feedback. How we will define positive feedback? The feedback network output phi f is in phase with the input AC signal phi s, is nothing but positive feedback. Here if you observe this figure, this is the phi s is nothing but input AC signal to the amplifier. Here the amplifier introduces what? 180 degrees phase shift. So here this is positive AC signal and this is the amplified AC signal, is nothing but it is 180 degrees phase shift with the input signal. And here again the feedback network introduces again 180 degrees phase shift. So the total phase shift for the amplifier and feedback network, it is 360 degrees. So that means here the feedback network output is in phase with the input signal phi s. So this is nothing but positive feedback or regenerative feedback. Okay, now. So here what will happen in positive feedback? The input signal phi I is going to be increased. That is nothing but it is the combined value of AC signal phi s plus feedback signal. So that is nothing but whatever the input signal, the input signal to the amplifier, it is nothing but phi I. That is nothing but mixer output is nothing but phi I. Mixer output enti ikkada phi I. So this input signal of the basic amplifier is going to be increased. That is the combined value of input AC signal plus feedback signal. Okay, na? So coming to the, if you calculate the gain of the positive feedback, it is indicated by AF. Gain of the positive feedback is indicated by AF. It is equal to output of the feedback amplifier, it is output of the basic amplifier, it is indicated by phi naught by input AC signal. Output voltage to the input voltage, phi naught by phi s. Okay, na? So here this is phi naught. So in this equation, if you calculate phi s equal to what? Phi s equal to phi I minus phi f. Phi s equal to phi I minus phi f. So phi naught, phi s is nothing but phi I minus phi f. So in this equation, in numerator and denominator, if you divide with phi naught, in numerator and denominator, if you divide with phi naught, it is going to be get cancelled 1, and denominator is also phi naught and phi naught. So you will get phi I by phi naught minus phi f by phi naught. So phi I by phi naught is nothing but gain of the basic amplifier. Gain of the basic amplifier is nothing but it is indicated by A. So it is nothing phi I by phi naught. Actually gain is indicated by output voltage to the input voltage. Here it is input voltage to the output voltage is nothing but 1 by A. Okay, now 1 by A minus phi f by phi naught is nothing but beta. It is nothing but feedback factor. Feedback factor is nothing but the ratio of output of the feedback network to the output of the basic amplifier. Okay, now phi f by phi naught is nothing but beta. So if we calculate this, A by 1 minus A beta. So here A beta, the product of gain of the basic amplifier with feedback ratio is nothing but loop gain. Okay, now it is acting as it is nothing but loop gain. The loop gain is defined as the product of the basic amplifier output A and the feedback factor beta is nothing but loop gain. Okay, now here what will happen in positive feedback? The input impedance is going to be increased. The input voltage is going to be increased. Okay, now so if in this equation, if you are substituting A beta equal to 1, what will happen? A beta equal to 1, A by 1 minus 1 means it is A by 0. Something by 0 means it is going to be infinity. If you substitute A beta equal to 1. Okay, now so what is the value of feedback gain with feedback of the positive feedback? పాజిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసి ఏఎఫ్ ఈక్వల్ ఎంత వస్తుంది, ఇన్ఫినిటీ వస్తుంది. వెన్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ అప్లయింగ్ ఏ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ without applying any voltage, you are getting the, without applying any input voltage you are getting the output voltage. Okay na? So this is nothing but without applying any input voltage you are going to get the output voltage. Okay na? So that is nothing but here the positive feedback acts as an oscillator. What is mean by oscillator? In oscillator, without giving any input signal also you are getting the output AC signal. Here the positive feedback refers to as oscillator. Positive feedbacks are used in oscillators. Okay? Coming to the negative feedback. How we will define the negative feedback? The feedback factor output signal phi f is out of phase with the input signal phi s. The feedback network output signal phi f is out of phase with the input signal phi s is nothing but negative feedback. Here in this diagram the amplifier introduces 180 degrees phase shift. It introduces 180 degrees phase shift, but this feedback network is designed such as it introduces 0 degrees phase shift. That means what is the output of the signal? Here the amplifier output is 180 degrees phase shift to the input signal, and this signal is coming here. Here the feedback network introduces 0 degrees phase shift, means whatever you are applying the signal it is comes here like this. Same signal, this is the output of the feedback network. So here if you observe these two signals, the feedback network output phi f is out of phase with the input signal. So like this. So this is nothing but negative feedback. Okay na? How will you define negative feedback? The feedback network output signal phi f is out of phase with the input signal phi s is nothing but negative feedback. So what is another name for negative feedback? Degenerative feedback. So coming to the calculation of gain with negative feedback. What is negative feedback? The feedback network output phi f is out of phase with the input signal phi s is known as negative feedback. Okay na? In negative feedback, gain with negative feedback AF, it is indicated by AF equal to phi naught. It is nothing but output of the basic amplifier by phi s. Phi s is nothing but input to the basic amplifier. Okay na? That is AC input signal. So here phi naught by, so here phi s is nothing but phi I plus phi f. Okay na? In negative feedback we are taking, since the phi I value equal to phi s equal to phi I plus phi f. This is for negative feedback. For positive feedback, phi s equal to phi I minus phi f. Okay na? Phi s is nothing but what? Mixer output. Okay na? The mixer output for negative feedback phi s equal to phi I plus phi f. For positive feedback phi I minus phi f. Okay na? So if you substitute phi s equal to phi I plus phi f, so in numerator and denominator I am dividing with phi naught. Okay na? Phi naught by phi naught, phi I by phi naught plus phi f by phi naught. So this is going to be get cancelled. So you will get 1 by, so phi I minus phi naught is nothing but 1 by A. Actually gain is nothing but output to the input, output voltage to the input voltage. Here phi naught to the phi I is nothing but A. Okay na? Phi I by phi naught undi kabatti it is indicated by 1 by A plus beta. So here AF equal to, if you calculate gain with negative feedback, AF equal to A by 1 plus A beta. For positive feedback, A by 1 minus A beta. Here A beta is nothing but loop gain, and always the loop gain is equal to 1. Okay na? So coming to the advantages of negative feedback, it improves the output stability. Output signal is stable. Okay na? Stable is nothing but the output signal is like this. It is going to be stable without any change in the frequency or amplitude. Okay na? So it improves the output stability. So these are the advantages of negative feedback. Improves the output stability. It reduces the non-linear distortion. Distortion kuda undadu output signal lo. It reduces the noise also, and it increases the bandwidth. What is the meaning of bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but the difference between upper cutoff frequency to the lower cutoff frequency is known as bandwidth. Okay na? So it improves the frequency response. Frequency response is nothing but the curve between frequency to the gain. The furrow between frequency to the gain of the amplifier is known as frequency response. Actually, frequency response is like this. Frequency response curve ఇలా వస్తుంది, and we have two frequencies. This is F2, this is F1. This is the basic. The difference between F2 and F1 is nothing but bandwidth. Okay na? The difference between F2 to F1 is nothing but bandwidth. Okay na? So it increases the bandwidth, it improves the frequency response also, and it modifies the input impedance and modifies the output impedance also, and it stabilizes the gain. Gain is not going to be changed. Okay na? It is going to be stabilized and reduces the phase distortion and reduces the harmonic distortions also. These are the advantages of negative feedback.